Welcome to this instructional video to guide you in the installation of the Evacuation Status app using your Android or Apple device. For best results, you should be located outside with a clear view of the sky with location services enabled. To get started with the Evacuation Status app, download Collector for ArcGIS from either the iPhone App Store or the Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded and installed, click the collector icon to open. To get signed into the app, click the ArcGIS Online button using iPhone or iPad, and for Android, click Continue. Signing in on both platforms is a similar process. Enter the username NSEMOUSER and the password BOHORVAT53. The password is BoHorvat53. In both cases, it is all lowercase. Once you have entered the username and password, click Sign In. On the iPhone or iPad, click Evacuation Status to use the app. For the Android platform, you will need to click North Shore Emergency Management for the first login only, and then choose Evacuation Status to use the application. Starting an evacuation status report is as simple as using your map to choose a starting point. You may need to zoom in to see the parcel information, which is the first step in completing a report. Note that some parcels may be colored with a faded gray color, establishing these properties or parcels as needs assessment. Click or tap the parcel you wish to complete a report on. The parcel will highlight with a blue border. Click on the box located at the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Choose Edit from the pop-up menu to start a report. To complete an evacuation status report for the parcel or property you just selected, tap on the fields of the form one by one to change their status. Relevant fields include date, building type, number of occupants, evacuation bulletin left, team name, and evacuation status. Note that building type may already be set based on the parcel information. When setting the evacuation status of the parcel or property, choose the evacuation status that most closely fits the status of the home. For a multi-unit dwelling, mark the parcel with the status that is the most critical. For example, choose Orange or Notified and Refusing to Evacuate if one unit of many is refusing to evacuate. After choosing the evacuation status, click Done in the upper right-hand corner. Once the evacuation status for the parcel or property has been established, and you have completed your report using all the fields in the form, click Update in the upper right-hand corner. This will send your report electronically to the Emergency Operations Center for situational awareness. You can now move on to the next property for evacuation notice. For the upcoming exercise, individuals or teams sharing a device should walk around a 2-block area of houses where they are working sometime between 9 a.m. and noon. There is no need to visit homes or speak with residents for this exercise. For each home or property, roll the dice and load the criteria corresponding to the dice roll into the app to indicate the evacuation status of the residents. If you encounter a multiplex that does not have individual street addresses for each unit, just do one roll to reflect the most significant status of the overall complex. When your exercise is complete, call or email the Emergency Operations Center using the contact information from your sheet, and using your team designation, state that your team is standing down. Thank you for your participation in our exercise.